What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on VERU ticker.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you why we have this massive spike in price for the second time. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this top and I've told you that most likely from this point we might go lower to retrace the entire movement to the upside, because on the multiple time frames we were extremely overbought according to RSI. And right here, as you can see, on the hourly time frame and on the lower time frames, for example on a 30 minutes time frame, we had a bearish divergence. And bearish divergence is the pattern when you can see lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action. This means most likely we'll have a trend reversal in order to unload the structure, to collect more steam and to hit higher targets. And it happened. It happened exactly as I predicted. And let me switch again to hourly time frame. I have to say that I've told you that we might hit the ranges from 0.382 all the way down to 0.5 and to golden pocket. And because of this spike in price, we have to adjust this tool a little bit. And as you can see, we hit exactly the 0.5 range, second accumulation point that I marked on my previous video. And in this case, if you ladder your buys down, your average price might be exactly in the middle of these 2 points. And from your entry point, from your potential entry point, we have about 47% to the current price. And congratulations to all of you who took my call and who are in green now. And I have to say that my first price target was this golden pocket pattern. It is the range. Let me switch to 4 hours time frame. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool, let me show you more thoroughly. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its all-time high to this swing low, we have following levels. And the range of in between 0.618 and 0.65, statistically the most probable range of trend reversal. And we have to have some kind of reaction right here. That is why this range of roughly from 16.81 all the way up to 17.46 was my first price target. And we hit it, we hit this range to the tick, as you can see right here. So what should we expect next and how we can benefit from the next potential movement? I will show you in my technical analysis, but for now let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, again, let me start with the company profile. Veru Incorporated, an oncology biopharmaceutical company, focuses on developing medicines for the management of cancers. And for now, let me show you this article. We are on Yahoo Finance, and this article was published on April 13th, and it's titled "VERU Stock Could Hit $36, Says Oppenheimer." And let me show you what was the reason of the first spike in price right here. And shares of Veru soared by 182% in one session after the company announced positive data from a phase 3 clinical trial of its COVID-19 treatment, sabizabulin. In fact, the data was so good that the company announced it was halting the late-stage testing. An interim analysis of hospitalized patients with a moderate to severe COVID-19 who were at significant danger for adult respiratory distress syndrome and death and were given the drug resulted in a 55% reduction in deaths compared to the placebo. Adding an extra layer of sheen, none of the 210 patients in the study reported any relevant safety issues, with the drug being well tolerated by all. And let me show you some important details. Over the next few weeks, the company will meet with the FDA and intends to file a request for emergency use authorization shortly. And on my previous video, my assumption was that they might receive this emergency use authorization in a matter of several months. And for now, we have the reduction of this period all the way down to a few weeks. And let me quote you Oppenheimer analyst Leland Gershel. Its demonstrated ability to improve outcomes in those at high risk of acute respiratory distress syndrome and death distinguishes sabizabulin from Merck's Lagevrio and Pfizer's Paxlovid, indicated for milder disease and for which respective US government procurement contracts worth $2.2 billion and $5.3 billion have been awarded, Gershel commented. With the global pandemic showing little sign of abating and BARDA to be allocated $9.25 billion in additional COVID-19 funding, we believe sabizabulin will serve critical roles in the US and abroad. And let me show you that Oppenheimer boosts its price target from $25 all the way up to $36. And on top of that, at the same day, H.C. Wainwright also boosts its price target from $21 all the way up to $24. And these two price targets implies a huge upside potential for this stock. And on top of that, let me show you that Veru is very popular stock among the stock tweets community. As you can see on the watcher section, Veru ticker symbol is on the second place. On the most active section, it is on the third place. And on trending section, it is on the second place as well. This means this asset still has a huge upside potential, not only from the retail community and from the potential short squeeze, but also from its fundamental standpoint. And that is why this asset might be quite interesting for you as a potential contender to be in your investment portfolio. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, congratulations to all of you who took my previous call and who has about 48% of profits already. And definitely it is a very good movement to the upside. And in my opinion, from the Elliott wave perspective, if we completed only the first wave, this might be the second wave, and we are forming the third wave on a slightly bigger scale. This means, let me mark it for you. We have, let me show you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in our first wave. Then we have a retracement A, B, C right here. It is our bottom of the second wave. And third, fourth and fifth wave might be much higher to the upside because we have very good upside potential for this asset from the fundamental standpoint. And what should we expect next? Let me zoom out a little bit and let me switch to 4 hours time frame. Let me show you that right here we have following levels that I marked with the Fibonacci retracement tool, and our highest point is right here at $24.57 mark. And if we will break the golden pocket range, if we will break the $17.46 to the upside, definitely we will have very good chances to hit $24.53 because the range of 0.786 statistically has not more than 15 to 20% of trend reversal. And definitely with the good support from retail community and with the good fundamental news, we might hit at least a one-to-one extension at $24.53 mark. And let me show you that H.C. Wainwright set its price target to $24. Definitely they paid their attention to this all-time high, and that is why it might be a huge range of resistance from which we might have a bounce. So let me mark these ranges for you like this. Our price target might be at one-to-one extension at $24.53, and fifth leg might be much higher. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? Let me switch again to hourly time frame, and let me show you that most likely we might have again some kind of retracement. And this retracement shouldn't break the previous swing low, because if the price action will break the $9.83, we will invalidate this movement to the upside as the beginning of the third wave. And in this case, it might be a failed wave, and we might see longer consolidation phase in the ranges from $8 to $12. So I think from the technical standpoint, that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up.